Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, here we have to scroll down and find the section which is called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Let's tap. We do not have our Google account added, so we will begin this video with adding a new one and then I'll show you how to remove it. So let's simply tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. And then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, perfect. Tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so basically you can back up photos and videos or other device data, or both, or you can don't turn on the backup. It's completely up to you. I will turn it off right now because why not? And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, if you wish to remove it, you have to again go to Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. You can go to Google. I mean, here we've got this whole Google section. However, it's kind of tricky to remove the Google account from this section. So I highly recommend to simply go back to Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts, then tap on the account and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got your screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.